With vibrant transitions and upbeat music filling the air, the screen bursts into life, revealing 5 surprising facts about MrBeast. Fact 1 appears with a youthful photograph, accompanied by playful animations. MrBeast started his channel at just 13 years old. Energetic video clips of Jimmy's early creations flash by. Next, the exuberant text. One of his first viral videos was him counting to 100,000, taking over 40 hours to film, pops up. The screen is filled with a fun overlay of numbers rapidly ticking upwards. We then transition to heartwarming scenes of charity and environmental initiatives. Text overlays narrate. He donates a significant portion of his earnings to charity, including initiatives like Team Trees, amidst captivating drone footage of tree plantings and people receiving donations. Immediately following, the video cuts to footage of bustling kitchens as lively music intensifies. The text reads, he owns a virtual restaurant chain called MrBeast Burger, appearing alongside vibrant shots of burgers and grinning customers. Lastly, a more reflective tone sets in, as gentle animations convey. Despite his energy, he battles Crohn's disease, a chronic illness affecting his intestines. A courageous image of MrBeast discussing his journey briefly fills the screen. The video shifts back to its dynamic tempo, urging viewers with a final energetic overlay. Like, comment, and follow for more amazing facts about top creators. The screen then fades out as the upbeat music gradually returns to a calm ending.